So hi everyone. Today we'll try to understand why we should not be using label encoding while converting categorical data into numerical data, and why one should prefer one-hot encoding if possible in place of label encoding. So let's understand what are the cons with label encoding and why it should be ignored. So what does label encoding do? Label encoding assigns the different categories present in the categorical data set a value from 1 to n, where n is the total number of categories. So if you have three categories, dogs, cats, and horses, label encoding will be assigning these categories numbers as dogs equals to 1, cats equals to 2, horses equals to 3, and likewise. Now a big problem with this particular approach is that unknowingly label encoding has converted some unrelated categories into some ordinal numerical data set. So for example, when you're converting dogs equals to 1, cats equals to 2, horses equals to 3, now eventually what is happening is that unknowingly dogs is now more related to cats than to horses. Makes sense, because the difference between the numerical representation of cats minus the numerical representation of dogs is less as compared to the numerical representation of horses, that is 3, and the numerical representation of dogs, that is 1, equals to 2. So cats minus dogs becomes 1, but horses minus dogs becomes 2. So here the numerical value is farther for dogs from horses as compared to cats, and eventually label encoding is giving an idea that categories like dogs and cats are more closer to each other as compared to dogs and horses, but this is not the truth. Hence label encoding, what actually it is doing is it is unknowingly converting your categorical data into some ordinal numerical format, which is not correct.